Greetings to all the students. Today we are going to study the subject mathematics from our book Rainbow Term 1. In mathematics subject today we will learn about the concept expanded form and short form.
Now, what is the aim of teaching you all this concept of expanded form and short form? The aim is to make you all understand the concept of expanded form and short form of three-digit number. Expand means to stretch something, to make something enlarge. Here, expansion of a number means writing the numbers according to their place value and then adding them. We are going to understand how to expand a three-digit number. So for that, first of all, we should know the place under which each digit comes. It is very important. Now, up to three digit, there are three place values: ones, tens, and hundreds. Now, using these place values only, we will be doing the expansion of a number. So, here is the number 358, and it is in its standard form. So, now 3 comes under hundreds place. So, its place value becomes 300. Now, next is 5. 5 comes under tens place. So, its place value becomes 50. And 8 comes under ones place. So, its place value becomes 8. Now, it becomes 300 plus 50 plus 8. So this is the expanded form of 358. So here is another example. In this there is a three-digit number, that is 521. Now we have to expand this number. So how we can expand this number? We can expand this number by writing the place values of each digit and then adding them. So let's begin. Now our first digit is 5. It comes under hundreds place. So its place value become 5 hundreds. Now our next digit is 2. It comes under tens place. So its place value becomes 2 tens, which means 20. And our last digit is 1. And it comes under ones place. So its place value become 1 ones. That is 1. Now we have to add all these place values, that is 500 plus 20 plus 1, and in this way our expanded form is made. Now we will study about short form. Short form means writing the face value of each digit and thus getting the total value or original value of a number. Always remember, face value of every digit remains the same. That is, the face value of 2 will always remains the same whether it is at ones place, tens place or hundreds place. Here we have to write the short form, or you can say the total value of a number. We have been provided with the expanded form, that is 700 plus 60 plus 8. Now we have to frame the number. How we can frame it? So we will write the face value of every digit and thus we'll get the total value of our number. Now let us start. The face value of 7 is 7 and it is written under hundreds place because its place value is 700s. Now next is 60. The face value of 6 is 6 and its place value is 6 tens, so it will come under tens place. Now last, the face value of 8 is 8 only and its place value is 8 ones, so here 8 will come under ones place. So our number which is framed is 768, and this is called the short form of a number. In this way, you can attempt any expansion of a number. Now, here are few questions for discussion. First question, expand the following numbers. The numbers are 203, 304 and 389. Now next question. Question number 2. Write the short form. Now we have been provided with the expansion of a number and you have to find the total value of a number. First is 400 plus 20 plus 3. Next 300 plus 60 plus 5. And the last 600 plus 70 plus 9. Attempt these questions and send your pictures to your respective class teacher via WhatsApp.
So students, that is all for the day. I hope you have enjoyed learning the new concept of expanded form and short form, and you will revise it with the questions which we have discussed. So students, that is all for the day, and have a nice day and take care of your health.